देख रहे हो आप अपना गेमिंग बॉय डबल टी यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं ट्रेवर थोड़ी शराब पी रहा है, उसके बाद हम चलते हैं थोड़ा सा आगे चलते हैं। ट्रेवर थोड़ी देर को फिर चलते हैं हम लोग। जैसे आपने कल की सीरीज में देखा ट्रेवर ने न्यू बाइक छीनी, चेंज कर दिया। उसके बाद ये ट्रेवर ने रेस में
Car that's massively overpowered has fold down.
जाना है अभी। चलते हैं।
Agent Steve Haynes. Man.
इस वजह से बता के देते हैं हम लोग कुछ कुछ पूछने वाले हैं।
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man.
इन दोनों को बात करने देते हैं, फिर मिलते हैं हम लोग। पहले इन दोनों को बात करने देते हैं।
Man, I was wondering, have you heard from your family?
Yeah, sure. No, that's a lie. I haven't heard a fucking thing.
Man, that's fucked up, man.
तो हम
Yeah,
बातें
well,
कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद हम
Not
लोग
gonna
मिलते हैं।
matter. We're all gonna be dead in about a half hour anyway.
What's going on,
ये
ladies?
लोग ड्राइवर भी आ गए पीछे से।
Hello, Trevor. What kept you?
Business, Michael, business. All right? I'm the CEO of a big international corporation. It's very time consuming. Nothing, of course, you'd understand, being a gentleman of leisure. You know, Franklin, if there's one thing that...
Go down the coast. The facility's a few clicks south of us.
उसके बाद मिलते हैं।
Listen to me, Steve. No wisecracks, got it? No fucking cliches. We're fighting for the freedom of the people today.
Don't lecture me on patriotism. You've been living outside the system too long. Social responsibilities, a joke to you.
So maybe I redeem myself, get killed in the process, huh? That old bullshit.
No one is dying on my watch. Not even the burnout bank robber
Burning building.
with temper issues and nothing to live for.
A hero's death is too good for you. You'll die in the ignominy you deserve.
This is the bay. We can get in through the discharge tunnel.
Here goes.
इसको करने वाले हैं ये तीनों नीचे जाएंगे और पानी के रास्ते जाएंगे पहले चलते हैं
There'll be a grate over the outlet. Townley, you've got the cutter. When we get there, go to work punching through.
Roger that.
वहीं जाके आपको मिलते हैं उतने वाले हो जाएंगे
Okay. Using the oxyhydro cutter on the grill.
वीडियो निकालने से गिरे थोड़े
That's burning at over 3,500 degrees.
Yeah, thanks for the science lesson. Can I keep this for the next vault I hit?
You've got a limited supply of gas in the cutter, so get this right.
So, you got any more little facts for me from the instruction manual?
Thought you'd want some intel on the equipment we sourced using your hard-won funds.
Ha! I figured it was all gonna go on a wardrobe full of windbreakers. Oh, and maybe some nipple clamps. That should do it.
इसके अंदर जाके मिलते हैं ये जो हमने तोड़ दिया बस इसके अंदर जाते हैं और फिर मिलते हैं वहाँ से प्लेन्स के अंदर चलते हैं
Okay, we swim down the tunnel, gain access to the facility.
You sure this thing comes out where you think it does?
The intel is good. We're 100 yards out.
Ah, I feel like I'm giving a colonoscopy to the Statue of Happiness.
Nice change from beating up Trevor Phillips's ass all day. You feel that? Water's getting warmer.
You wet your pants, Davy?
This is a cooling tunnel. Of course it's getting warmer. No one urinated.
I know for a fact that that ain't true.
मिलते हैं हम आपको आगे और चलते रहो वो कोलबंगा है कोलबंगे के साथ चलते हैं
The problem with this job is I only get to know the criminals who are dumb enough to get themselves caught.
Yeah, only I wasn't caught. Remember? I turned myself in.
He makes a point. That makes you doubly dumb.
वो इतना लंबा छोटे छोटे से रास्ते थे छोटे छोटे रास्ते हैं इन लोग
This is the third turbine.
बहुत अलग-अलग रास्ते हैं.
There's the surface. We're inside the building.
Swim over to the ladder.
चलते हैं. ऊपर जाने के बाद मिलते हैं हम लोग. तीनों ऊपर आ गए ना इतना ट्रैवल करेंगे. सारे ऊपर आ गए हम लोग.
We ready?
और
I was born ready.
बंदा भी है.
Let's do this. Come on, Dave. What's the plan?
Hey. We locate the toxin and action our escape strategy. That's what we...
Bank robber, set your phaser to stun. Dave, you're on point. I'm leading from the rear.
Let's go! Hands where I can see him. Drop your piece.
Hey, how'd you get down here?
Action the neuromuscular incapacitator, Mr. Townley.
It's time this guy went to sleep, Michael.
Okay, now hit the elevator.
So what exactly does a neurotoxin look like?
You're on a need-to-know basis, bank robber. Shut it. Elevator coming. Body on board. Stay vigilant. Out! Collect a swipe card.
How you feeling about this? I feel pretty damn fine. Yeah, if only your camera crew was here.
Eyes right. Stay on top of this. We're fine. Move on. You see the lab geeks? I don't want trouble from these two. Run them up! We gotta keep moving. Corridor goes around to the left. Don't sit there. Bring it to them. Stay against this wall. Security is scheduled to come through here. They're on us. Make a judgment call. Okay, we're clear. Use the card on that swiper. Lab rat in the cage up ahead should have the secret sauce. Come on.
You! Door, now!
The locking mechanism is triggered from the inside.
Pause it! We got company!
I got this. You! Hands up! Back up! Back up!
The nerd went down! You want us to take out this door and you along with it?
Stick up, guy. You're expendable. Get the nerve agent.
This'll make me...
Damn it! We need to get the nerve agent into a refrigeration unit.
Security alert! Security alert! Facility breached.
Holy shit!
You got the right weapon? This shit's about to get real. Security team!
Oh, crap! Tyler got shot!
Let's keep moving. Up through here.
Protect the cargo! Move!
I don't want to be here either.
Let's get moving, people!
Another guard.
Poor bastard! It's a grim business!
जल्दी हमारे पास पुलिस पड़ने
We
वाली
need
है.
to be gone before the whole place gets shut down.
Corridor goes around to the left.
You chose the wrong line of work.
Sooner we're done, the better.
Don't shoot me. I'm carrying nerve toxins here.
Let's go!
the government.
जल्दी हम लगा देते
Come
हैं
on,
तो नहीं
let's
क्या
go.
अंदर बांधते हुए
Hold by the door.
एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए
I hate to think what these chimps have seen. Final search. Let's get that hot stuff from the fridge-o.
Reinforcements should be arriving.
जल्दी से हम भागते
Wouldn't be
हैं
surprised if they had the
उत्तम
whole
को मिल
county
गया
on lockdown.
ओ मैं मर गया हो गया बाहर चलते हैं हम
The
लोग
toxin is volatile. We need to get it into a refrigeration unit.
Warning, facility has been breached. Facility has been breached.
It's gonna get heavy here. Use a real gun.
6 detail, there.
We gotta go. Come on, push through.
Oh my God! Someone's been hit! Are you okay?
You hit me in the wrong place and we're all fucked.
Can we go?
Another guard.
Poor bastard.
Left, up here. Push for the exit.
Along here, to the left.
This is for the greater good. Allegedly.
My partner got hit!
Can we get a move on? We gotta go, we gotta go. Another couple of guards.
I don't want to be here either.
Moving.
Move to the door. This ain't a rescue mission, Abe. You're on your own. Last push. Come on.
A distress signal will have been sent out. Expect reinforcements.
Just what I need. I gotta know.
Go! Pull us up!
What happened back there? Where's Agent Haynes? Don't tell me we suffered casualties. Only self-inflicted ones. Get yourself. Ass is a double agent. Well, maybe they'll debrief him with a...
I know!
About saying inside you are a beautiful man.
I've never been happy. It's so sad. But you have a beautiful work. For some reason, everyone I love abandons me.
I am not abandoning you. I am going home.
Street you!
I know.
पुलिस बहुत हो रहा है यार क्या करूँ गेम के दिन पुलिस बहुत होता है कोडिंग कर रहा हूँ टेक्निक बहुत होता है कोडिंग करूँगी इंग्लिश ना गेम में माइक के बाद कमाल होगी यही होता है मैंने बिना माइक दिया उसके बाद थोड़ी कमाल होगी कभी याद होगी कभी नहीं याद होगा होता है सब बेसिक बढ़िएगा वीडियो को लाइक करें फॉलो करें शेयर और सब्सक्राइब चलो उसी का कुछ और तो गेट पे थकती पड़ने गाड़ी इसको सिगरेट पे छोड़ के मिलते हैं ट्रैवल छोड़ देता इतना छोटा Trevor game images so काम करते हैं ये करके बस जाके मैंने बाइक लेके आती है मेरी बाइक बहुत अजीज है। तो उसका फोन करके बोल देता हूँ फिर मैं
Good Lord above!
लेकिन बाद में चले जाऊँगा अकेले में मैं कहाँ फिक्र कर वहाँ पे जाके मिलता हूँ बाइक के पास। मैं आपको बाइक के पास ही मिल जाता अभी टैक्सी मंगा लेते फिर चलते हैं।
Believe it or not, I need a cab.
Of course! Driver should be with you soon.
Glad to hear it.
टैक्सी तक आई नहीं है प्यार सकते तब मंगवा रहा हूँ। बहुत देर लगा दी यार अभी तक आया ही नहीं है यार। ये आ गया ये आ गया ये आ गया दवाई जल्दी स्क्रीन पे करेंगे। जल्दी स्किप करो यार पासपोर्ट जल्दी छोड़ दे भाई। जल्दी से छोड़ दो यार ये।
Hey, we're here.
इसमें सारे कितने पैसे हड़प रहे तुम लोग। ज़्यादा पैसे तुमने कर दिए मेरे बाइक ये खड़ी बाइक लेते हैं और फिर चलते हैं पंडर। वीडियो को लाइक करें कमेंट करें शेयर करें कुछ करें। चलो ओके अल्लाह हाफिज़।